Hello guys, welcome to this lecture. So today we're going to talk about what is HTML. So today's outlines is what is HTML, purpose of HTML language, structure of HTML document, HTML editors, HTML tags, HTML attributes, HTML comments. To learn this course, you don't need to be a web ninja or something like that. You just have to understand basics of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, what does that mean? It means that HTML is basically a markup language used to make web pages. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. There's a big difference. A markup language is a set of markup tags. The markup tags describe how text should be displayed. HTML was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. So, now that we know what is HTML, we need to understand what is the use of HTML. HTML enables you to format text, sounds, graphics, etc. It is a set of markup tags. These tags are used to describe web pages. So, the last thing that comes up is what is the purpose of HTML language? The purpose of HTML language is to create static websites. Now, in web development, there are many other things like CSS for styling, JavaScript for telling it how to work. So, for now, you have to understand that HTML is a markup language and it helps you create websites. So, next up, I'm going to teach you how to create a file in HTML.